Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. If you are listening to me in the morning, good morning. If you are listening to me in the afternoon, good afternoon. If you are listening to me in the evening, good evening. I am Sir Collins. Did you hear that? I am Sir Collins. Okay, I am Sir Collins. I'll be your facilitator for this lesson. Grade 2 mathematics. Okay, grade 2 mathematics. So, what are you supposed to know under grade 2 mathematics? We'll be looking at numbers. Okay, looking at what numbers? This number. Okay, and the number we have to take counting, representation, and cardinality. I said counting, representation, and what cardinality. So counting will be our first priority. Right? That's be our first priority before we go to representation and cardinality. Okay, let's take the next slide. So under the next slide, we're looking at counting and estimating quantities. Counting and estimating quantities. So I told you counting is our prime focus for this lesson and the next lesson. Okay, so skip counting forward and backwards to and from 1000. I repeat, skip counting forward and backwards to and from 1000. Okay, so let's move on to the next slide. Now remember, when we were in basic 1, we learned about this table. Okay, the number table. That is, you learned how to count from 1 to 100. Do you remember? I'm sure some of you have forgotten. You can't even count 1 to 50. So we're going to revise it. Then we move on to our next beautiful and brilliant and wonderful topic or lesson. Now, so in this lesson, we're looking at skip counting forward and backwards by 2s, 5s, and 10s to and from 1000. I repeat, skip counting forward and backwards by 2s, 5s, and 10s to and from what? 1000. So this table here will help you to do a lot. Okay, so keep in mind that you have to study the table. Okay, that is started from 1 to what? 100. You have to know how to count from 1 to 100. I'm sure you can count it. There's no need for me to count again. But I brought a table so that it will be a guide to you, so that as we go on, be able to understand the skip counting principles. Okay, so let's move on to the next lesson or slide. Okay, under the next slide, we're looking at counting in hundreds from 100 to what? 1000. Have you heard about this thing before? That is how you can count from 100 to 1000. Now remember, if daddy gives you what? 100 CDs, he asks you to what? Double the 100 CDs. What are you going to get? So this is 100 CDs. Now double it means add another 100 CDs to it. So when we add another 100 CDs to it, how do you think you are going to get? 0, 0, and what? 2. That is how we count in hundreds. You add 100 to the number to get the next what number. So when we added the number, what did we get? We got 200. Okay, so 200 is the next number when you're counting from what? 100. Okay, so let's look at the clue here. Counting in 100 means adding 100 or 100 to the next available what number. That is from 100. The next number will be what? 200. If you are counting by 100. Okay, so if you are counting by 100, that's 100 to be the next available number. We add 100 to this one, so we are going to get what? This plus this give us 0. This plus this will give us what? 0. And this plus this will give us what? 2. So that is next available number after counting from 100 will be what? 200. 200. 200. Okay, now let's take example before we move on to the next slide. So 100 plus 100 will give us 200 here. Okay, so that's when we are skip counting by hundreds. Okay, so this is the 100, you add only 100 to it. Don't add more than 100, it's only 100 because we are skip counting by 100. So let's see how it works. There and there. So this and this, as I did earlier on, this will be 0, that and that will give you 0, 1 plus 1, 2. So that's skip counting by what? 140. So the next number from this one will be what? 200. So if you're skip counting by 100 from 200, you only add 100 to it, then you get your 300. So we have 100, 200, and what? 300. So let's look at it. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So we are adding 100, 100, 100 to each number to give you the next number. So 500 to 600, 700 to 800, 900. Then the last one, as we are looking at, up to 1000. Okay, sorry for that. I had a problem at the background. Sorry for that, my little friends. Okay, let's move on. So we've seen how to get our skip counting by 100. Okay, skip counting by 100, meaning you add 100 to the next available number to give you the next number, to the next number, and the next number, and the next number. So let's move on to the next slide. So let's look at more examples here. More examples on counting by 100. So complete the spaces by counting in 100. So this is 101. Now to be the answer for this side, because we are adding only 100 to this, then we come to this side, we add 100 to this one too. So 101 plus 100. Okay, you get it? So we add it here. 1 plus 0 will give us what? 1. 0 plus 0, 0. Then 1 plus 1 will give us what? 2. So therefore, over here, the answer for this side is 200 and what? 1. Because we've added 100 to the 100 and what? 1. Okay, so let's see whether when we add 100 to 201, we are going to get 301 for this one. Okay, so let's see. 1, 0, and what? 3. So that's correct. So what will be here, this side? So we add 100 to this one. Okay, so let's add 100 to it. 100 to it. So we have 1 here, 0, and what? 4. So therefore our missing number here will be what? 400 and what? 1. Are we clear? Now, so let's see whether the last number here is correct by adding 100 to 400 and what? 1. 401. Okay, 401. We have 1 plus this 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 itself is 0. And this plus this will give us what? 5. So therefore, our answer here is correct. I hope you are okay. Very good. Now let's go to number 2. Number 2. Now 202. 220. Sorry, 220. So what is the next available number for this space? So we add only 100 to it. Okay. 100. Because we are skip counting. We are counting. Sorry, we are counting by 100. So let's add 100 to 200 and what? 20. Also remember that after every lesson there is a quiz. This is a lifetime lesson, you don't pay for it. Okay, it's free. So let's add it. 0 plus 0 give us what? 0. 2 plus 0 give us what? 2. 2 plus 1 will be what? 3. So here our answer for this side is 300 and what? 20. 300 and what? what? 20. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. Now 320. Let's when you add 100 to 320, are you going to get 420 as the next available number there? So there's 320. Okay, plus 100. Okay, so 0 here, 2. This plus this will give us what? 4. So therefore the answer is 420. So that's correct. Now let's look for the answer for this space here. Answer for this space. So 420, we are going to add only 100 to it. Let's see whether you are going to get the answer. Let's add it. So give you 0, 2, and 5. So your answer for this space here is 520. Okay, 520. Now let's look for the answer for. Let's check whether the answer for this one is correct. So we add 100 to 520, because that's why we got here. Okay, remember that 520. So let's add 100 to it. We have 0, 2, 6. Great. So our answer here is what? Correct. So you got the answer here correct. Okay, so let's look at number 3. I'm going to do number 3 for you, then later you do the number 4 yourself before you take the quiz. And practice it, keep practicing it. Okay, so number 3, 350. Let's check whether the answer here. What is the answer here? You add 100 to it. Okay, then we have 0, 5. 0 plus every number is the same number, so 0 plus 5. Sorry, let me start again. Okay, I have 100. Okay, that. So let's go. Sorry, let's not pass. So we have 0 here, 5, and here we want 4. Because 3 plus 1 is what? 4. So that will be the answer for this side. Are we clear? So that the answer for this side will be what? 440. So let's add 100 to 440. 450, sorry, to get whether we see the answer here is correct. So let's see, 0, 5, and 5. So that's what you got here too. Okay, so let's add 100 to this to get that space. This space. So there. 0, 5, and 6. So the answer for this space here is 650. Are you clear? I hope you are getting it. So here is 650. That's what we had, 650. Now that's 650. Let's add 100 to it and see whether you get the last number, which is the last number, which is 750. Whether that's number is correct according to how they counted by 100. So let's see, this plus this will be 0, this plus this will be 5, and this plus this will be 7. So really our answer is what? Correct, 750. Okay, so I hope you got all what I just taught you, and I took my time to take you through, because sometimes these lessons people do not understand. Most students don't understand. That's why I took my time to take you through. So if you don't understand anything, let me know. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. Next slide. So this is our next slide. The next slide we are looking at skip counting forward by 2s. Skip counting forward by what? 2s. Okay, now let's look at the trick involved in skip counting forward by what? 2s. Now to skip count forward by 2s, simply add 2 to the next number, or you add 2 to the number itself. Okay, example, from 2, what is the next available number when you skip count by forward by 2s? So here 2, you add 2 to it and you get what? 4. So you can see I've expanded how it is done. Okay, how it is done. 2, you expand to, you have 1 plus 1, another 1 plus 1, then 1, 1, 1, and 1. What are you going to get? 4. Are you getting it? Now from 4, if we are going to count forward by sorry from 4, if you are going to count forward by 2s, okay, what are you going to get? So 4, we add 2 to the 4, okay, 2 to the 4, what are you going to get? 6. So let me break it out. 1 plus 1 plus another 1 plus another 1. So how many get? 1, 2, 3, 4. So add 2 to it plus another 1 plus another 1. So what are you going to get? 4, 5, and 6. I get it. So if you use object 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, then plus 2 objects, another 2 objects, just keep count forward. Okay, what are you going to get? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are going to get 6 objects. So from 4, skip count forward by 2, so you are going to get what? 6, 2, 4, 6. Okay, I hope you are getting it. Very good. So let's move on to the next slide. Okay, so that is the skip counting forward table. It's a chart for skip counting forward by 2's table. Okay, so you are from 2, what are you going now? 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So how did we get from 6 to 8? We only added 2 to the 6 to get 8. We are skipping counting forward by what? We are skip count forward by 2. So let me show you how it is done. So this is 6 plus 2. So 6 plus 2, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's 8. So let me show you and use object to show you how it is done. Now the object to show you how it is done. Okay, I use object. Object. Okay, how you see? I use this object. Okay, let's go 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we add another 2 to this object. 1, 2. Now let's count all of them. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's why we have the 8 here. Okay, so here, if I add this 8 we had here, we are going to skip count forward by what? 2's from the 8. So you add 2 more to it. So 1, 2. Okay, so let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's why we had 10 here. Are you getting it? So you are skipping counting. So you're only adding 2 objects to it. Very clear. So let me add 2 more to this one. 2. That means what are you going to get? Let's count it and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's why we added 12 here. So we added 2 to this 10 to give us what? 12. So I add 2 to this 12, I'm going to get 14, and so on and so forth. So I hope you got what we just learned, right? Hope you understand it. Okay, so if you don't understand, please go over the video over and over and you understand whatever I just taught you. It's very simple. Just go over it and you understand everything I just taught you. Are you clear? So everything I just taught you, just go over it again. Okay, so that brings us to the end of counting forward about 2's. Okay, so this chart will be our last lesson for today. Now, before I leave you to go over, let me take you through the quiz for what? Quiz for this topic. I'm going to take you through the quiz for this topic. So the quiz for this topic is this. So when you go to the site, so you can take through. This is grade 2 mathematics. So just click and just look for grade 2 mathematics. You get it there. Science, you look at it. English language, history, OAP, computing. So there's it over here. Have you seen it? So click on this one. Click on start quiz. Okay. So let's click on the start quiz. Now complete the missing spaces by counting in hundreds. Applies to question 1 to 8. So here from question 1 to 8, that's what you have. I go to count in hundreds. Okay, so let's see. This is 100 dash 2, 300 dash 500. Remember what I taught you. So this is 100. I go to add it to it plus another 100. So 0 0 2. So the first listen number here is what? 200. Okay, so here is 300. Add 100 to the 300. 0 0 4. So that's 400. So the answer for this one will be 200 and 400. So you just click on that. Click on that to choose the answer. Okay, I'm not doing it for you, I'm just showing you how it is done. So do the same thing to this number 2. Okay, do the same thing to number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, and number 8. And number 9, you say fill in the missing numbers by skip counting by 2's forward. Remember, I taught you how to skip count by 2's forward. So the hints I gave you is how to get the next number. Applies to question 9. So you are doing from question 9 to question 15. Very clear, question 9 to question 15. So here the first one is what? 2 dash 6 dash 10. So this is 2. So what is the number here? I'm looking for the number here, so we add 2 to it. So 2 plus 2 will add 4. So the answer here, the missing one here will add 4. Now let's take the 6. Look for the missing number here. We only add 2 to it. Okay. So 6 plus 2, what are we going to get? 8. So therefore the two missing numbers are what? 4 and what? 8. Let's search for it. This is 4 and what? 8. So you click on the 4 and what? 8 like this. Are you getting it? Good. I'm not doing it for you, I'm just showing how it is done. Then move ahead to the next after number 15. Use the table shows skip counting forward by 2. So remember I taught you a table like that. Find the missing numbers which are represented by alphabet. So here the alphabet A, what number is missing there? The alphabet B, what number is missing there? The alphabet C, what number is missing there? The alphabet D, what number is missing there? The alphabet E, what number is missing there? Okay, so A, first one is A. So what to be here? 2, 4, what to be here then? This 6 or 7, you don't know. So look for it. Okay, then B. So search B. B is here. This is 2, 4, 8, 8, 10. So what will be here? Is it 12 or 13? Up to the last one, which is E. So 30. This place will be what? So that's E here. 31 or 32. And finish. Tap on this one. Call it a submit tab. Just tap on it. Okay, finish tap like this. So it will show you your score. Whatever you scored will come. Very clear. So whatever you scored will come. And the time you use in answering the question will also show you. Time doesn't do anything, but your scores, it tells you the time you wasted in doing the question, or you used in doing the question. Okay, so if you like whatever you are doing, if you have a problem, just come here. Okay, another quiz, there's a comment section. Post a comment. Okay, this one, post a comment, then write your comment here, whatever is your problem or whatever problem you have on what you just learned. Then let's go. If you are watching us from YouTube, please remember that the quiz is found on our website. So you just visit the website here. Visit our website. Okay, then locate grade 2. Okay, grade 2. So that's grade 1 to 3 lesson and quiz grade 2. Then let's locate mathematics here. Then just do it. Okay, so also subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you liking it, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's our YouTube channel. Okay, so subscribe it for us. Subscribe to our YouTube. If you have any problem, if you want to contact us, just fill this forms, write your name here, then write your email here and write your message. What is the problem? Then click on what send. Okay, so this is our YouTube channel, our WhatsApp. You can join our WhatsApp group. When you join and say hi, we will reply you, because from time to time we adding any quiz we add from YouTube. You send the link there for the class to you just go and work on it. Any lesson we add. So you can also follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Okay, then Facebook especially, you want more likes and what followers on Facebook. Then YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch all our videos there. Okay, so that is how we come to the end of today's lesson. So this is the CEO, myself. Greetings, I'm Colin. Stay, you are the CEO of Perfect Squad. You contact me personally on my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp personal number. If you have anything, send it directly to me. But if you want me to ask so many questions, the WhatsApp can be a quick answer. Okay, just name your class, your school, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. You can share over here, share for us, share to your friends, your family. You can share on WhatsApp. Okay, share WhatsApp, share to us, just share WhatsApp. If you have a WhatsApp friend on WhatsApp, share to your friends on WhatsApp. Are we clear? Okay, so until we meet again, I'll see you all in our next lesson. God bless you all. Take care and make sure you stay safe, and pray for perfectscorechat.com to be the biggest in Ghana. Okay, so God bless you all. Take care. See you in the next lesson. I'm out of here.